Hey guys, it's Denise D. Noel. So, I wanted to give you guys a few tips that helped me lose the COVID 20. Guys, I gained 20 pounds during the COVID, and it happened so fast. The weight just kept coming and coming because I kept eating and eating. So, what really helped me was these few things. Number one, I just decided to stop cold turkey, stop eating, and make a decision to lose the weight. And that's what happened. I just one day looked at myself, a picture that I posted, and I just noticed how much I expanded. And I was just like, wow. And not only that, I was 202 pounds. I was out of breath. My back was hurting me. I was out of shape. I was lazy. All right? Couldn't move the way I used to move. I just said enough. I made a conscious decision not to gain any more weight, guys. Okay, so make that decision and commit to it. Pick a start date, do a detox, and start. Just start. Then you have to change your relationship with food. You have to. I love food. Food is passion. It tastes good. It's delicious. It makes you feel good. But food is not the enemy, is not the problem. We don't have control. We don't have control, so we have to be mindful. And when you have a slow metabolism, you have to be careful because you will explode. So I had to change my relationship with food really fast. I got really COVID during the COVID, and I had to say enough. Someone got in my head and say, cut all the fat out, focus on protein, focus on your vegetables. And that's what I did, guys. I really cut a lot of those things out, and I did my Herbalife shake, and I focused Herbalife shake, protein, eat vegetables, water, tea. I kept that routine going for a while. You see, when you don't have a full handle on nutrition, if you're a busy person on the go, you're going to need something to grab and to be on the go. And that's why it was always easier just to pop water and the protein powder, blend and go. And I felt full and I was good. I didn't have to think. I always had something, a bar with me, tea and shake with me all the time. And that was easy for me to do. Okay, so find something that works for you. Change your relationship with food and find a program that works for you if you don't have a handle on your nutrition. Then you're gonna have to move. You're gonna have to exercise. I'm sorry, but just do 30 minutes of cardio every day. 30 minutes of cardio. There's so many great videos on YouTube. Oh my god. Oh my god. Press play and just go. Go. Don't think about it. Keep doing it. Even if you don't complete the whole 30 minutes, but keep doing it every day until you get used to it. It's building a relationship with fitness. Okay? Build a relationship with fitness to a point where you need it. It's a drug for me. Fitness is a drug for me. Like, I love my Zumba. I love to dance. And now I have a passion for strength training because it's changed my body, guys. So it's a passion for me and I love it. It's my drug. It makes me feel good. I need fitness. And that's the type of relationship you need. All right? So try. Build a routine. Figure out a routine. All right? Write things down. Keep track. I have a book. I keep a journal. And I write things down. I write my weight, what I ate, what I did, how I felt, my mood, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I have it all broken down. It's your journal. It's your weight loss journal. You get to go back and look at what you did wrong. Why didn't I lose weight this week? Let me see. Okay, I had my period. Okay. Oh, I was sick. I was on this pills. Water made me gain a lot of water. You know, like those things are valuable information to know. So write everything down. Keep a journal. Keep track of what's going on with your body, so you can know. So you can see what your bad habits are. Okay. You can also download an app that can help you document things or keep notes. So you don't have to keep a book, but you can keep it on your phone if that'll be easier for you. I like books. I love books. So I like to write things down, okay? Finally, take a before and after. Take a before picture. Take a before picture, print it out, put it on your refrigerator, put it on your nightstand. so you can see it every day. So it can remind you of why you started the journey. All right. Take videos every now and then of your body. Look at it. Look at those videos every day. Every day. Just flip and look at it to see why you started this journey and why you want to change. It is going to help you. I am a picture video queen. I'm always pictured up. I'm always videoed up. Okay. And when I see my progress, especially now, I'm like, yo, I came a long way. And a lot of it had to do with my nutrition. Nutrition is the key. Baby, nutrition is the key. Like, I didn't believe it until I believed it. You have to get your nutrition right. You have to master your nutrition. And if you don't have a handle on your nutrition, honey, you get on that Herbalife, get on your meal replacement plan and focus on that until you get to your goal weight, until you know how to master your nutrition. You have to. All right? So those are the main top tips. Make a decision, a conscious decision to just start. Change your relationship with food. Get active. Write things down. And record your body. Record yourself. All right? Lastly, and I'm going to be honest with you, I started over and over and over again. It was hard for me this time. It was the hardest weight I had to lose for some reason. And I kept starting over, guys. I kept starting over. And that's why it took me 6 months just to lose 20 pounds. Because I kept starting over. I just kept giving up. I just wanted to eat. It was just comfortable. COVID, I just wanted to eat. I'm stressed. I was wanting to eat rice and bread and butter and pasta, ice cream. I mean, I love candy. I just kept starting over. But guess what? I got tired of starting over. I just got tired. I said, nope, no, I refuse to start over. I'm going to keep going. And honey, I kept going. I didn't stop. Not to say that I'm not going to cheat. I have a moment where, but I just kept going and I didn't start over completely. One final day, I guess, I just kept going. And that was it. So keep going. And I finally removed the weight. I got it off of me, guys. And I was like, whoa. It was to a point where I was like, will I ever get back to where I was prior to the COVID? That's how scared I was, because it was just, I just couldn't get myself right mentally. Although I have a lot of work to do now, my journey is training and lifting weights and trying to really tone up, because now that I see the magic that weight training can do, I'm like, I'm hooked on weight training. And it took someone, my trainer, to really drill things in my head, and so much valuable information is in my head. And I'm like, wow, this was the truth. This COVID really changed me up mentally and physically, and changed my relationship with food, really with exercise, really learned to appreciate the gym more since the COVID happened. It was just a different journey for me, and I'm now more passionate about it more than ever, guys. And that's it. So I hope, my tips, they're not magical tips, I'm sorry, but they're honest to God tips. And the biggest, if you can take anything out of this video, it's just don't give up. If you give up one day, it's not over. It's not over yet. You have to start again. Keep starting over until you get it right. And that's the one thing I would like for you to keep in here. Keep starting over until you get it right. Okay? You can do good today, you could do good tomorrow, you do good the whole week, but then you just lose track on Saturday and Sunday, Monday. It's all right. You're just going to have to keep starting over until you're tired of starting over. Okay? And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching.